In the papers today, Chancellor George Osborne will be forced to find £27 billion in further spending cuts starting in 2015, the Institute of Fiscal Studies said yesterday. This came after Osborne admitted in the autumn statement on Wednesday that austerity would be extended for a year longer than originally anticipated, to 2018. The Monetary Policy Committee sat tight yesterday, keeping interest rates and the quantitative easing programme unchanged, despite growing fears that the economy is contracting again. Halifax Bank said yesterday that house prices are set to remain flat in 2013, as weak economic growth and pressure on household finances continue to constrain demand. Increased demand for rental property is set to boost the buy-to-let market next year, while values in London and the South East will continue to outperform the rest of the country. More than 500,000 disabled people will each lose up to £400 over the course of the next 3 years as part of the government's raid on welfare. Among those affected are almost 200,000 of the most severely disabled, despite a pledge by George Osborne to protect the vulnerable from cuts. Results of a survey by consumer group Which strongly suggest that mis-selling by bank staff is still a widespread problem. More than 4 out of 10 frontline bank staff believe they're being forced to sell potentially inappropriate products to customers. This completely undermines claims that banks are changing their sales culture in the light of scandals involving mis-sold products such as payment protection insurance. Students from poorer backgrounds are being disadvantaged by personal statements when applying to university because they do not have the same contacts to get high-profile work experience placements. Researchers called for fresh curbs on personal statements in applications to stop the system being used to exploit the privileged position of pupils from private schools.